Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm located here in Washington, D.C. We help clients with all types of immigration applications. We're doing we are doing a lot of VAWA cases, and I'm here today to talk about VAWA in particular, but also to answer sort of some questions that you guys might have. If you're joining me for the first time, please say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. I always like to know where you clients are or where you guys that are interested in immigration are. Hi, Gourmage. Thank you for joining. We're streaming here on so many different platforms. We're on TikTok, we're on Facebook, and we are on YouTube. So we have TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. And while I'm talking, I'm going to give you some general information about immigration. Again, if you're just getting on, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration lawyer and immigration attorney. I am based here in Washington, D.C. We help clients that are located all throughout the United States. So if you are in D.C., or if you're in the area, you want to come to the DC area, you can make an appointment with us. I would love to meet you for an in-person consultation if you want to talk specifically about your case. But if you just want to learn some general information about different types of immigration here in the United States, this is the best. This is the best forum for you to ask those questions. You can ask me your one-off general questions. I don't have information about your immigration history. You can hear all the sirens. I'm in downtown DC. Lots of things happening here, but hopefully you can still hear me and you're not too distracted by this background noise. But thank you for joining me. If you think that others might want to join this immigration conversation, please share this post with them. Also, just a reminder to like us and follow us on our social media platforms. We're on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Again, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm on frequently, so you'll get notified. If you like us and follow us, you'll get notified when I'm live. So that's the best way to kind of stay on top of when I'm on. All right. Hi, Hillary. Hi, Sanjay. Hi, Sanya. So many folks here are joining. Alvin, Sean, great. Put your questions in here. I'm happy to answer them best as I can. Just know that this is general information since I don't know any specifics about your immigration history or specifics about the cases that you guys might have pending already with USCIS. Okay. Before we get started, I want to get into the question of the day. This comes up all the time, and I think it might be helpful to many of you. So this is in regards to a VAWA self-petition. Just remember that VAWA self-petitions, the most typical cases that we do involves a spouse who is married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, and that person is not willing to sponsor them for a green card. The marriage is abusive, so it can be emotionally, mentally, verbally abusive, and they apply for their own they apply for permission to be in the United States, which many times, I would say 90% of the time for us, they also apply for their green card along with this VAWA self-petition. So VAWA can lead to a green card, work authorization along the way, permission to be here in the United States while that application is pending. And hopefully, of course, when you get the green card, you have permission to be here in the United States. So that is what VAWA is, to catch you guys up if you don't know exactly what it is. But one of the questions that comes up with VAWA is, do I need a police report against my abusive spouse to be able to apply for VAWA? So the law acknowledges that you might not be ready to turn your spouse in, or you feel like you're not in a position where you can turn them in. Sometimes the abuse is emotional, right? So verbal abuse, mental abuse from your U.S. citizen or green card holder spouse. They're refusing to help you with the green card application. They're using it as a way to control and manipulate you. That clearly is not something you're going to report to the police. Right? Physical abuse, you could perhaps report that to the police. You don't necessarily have to. But for VAWA, no police report is required. The main piece of evidence of abuse that we have is your statement to us about what is going on. So what we do when we start the case is we schedule a confidential call. It's just going to be with you and someone from our office. My paralegal, Michelle, she's been doing this all the time. And she'll give you a call and she will go through with you just questions, and you just answer truthfully with as much detail as you can remember. That information is taken. We draft that up into a declaration. You will review it and give us your input, make changes if needed. Sometimes things happen from the time we draft the declaration to the time we file. So you might update us and we would update it and give it back to you as well to review and approve before we file. that is our main piece of evidence of the abuse in the relationship. So many cases get approved with nothing else as evidence of abuse. So keep that in mind. I hope that if you're in a situation where you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, and that relationship is abusive, even emotionally abusive or verbally or mentally abusive, that you consider applying for a green card on your own without the help of your spouse. That whole process is done here in the United States, and a police report is not required. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, and again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all throughout the United States. We help with all types of immigration applications. VAWA is one of our most common types of cases that we work on. We like to get the word out because most folks don't know that they might be eligible to apply on their own for a green card without the help of their spouse. Most people also don't know that the mental and verbal abuse alone can qualify you for VAWA. So we've had a lot of success. Actually, I want to share with you, if you're watching today, I got 2 green cards in the mail for VAWA applicants. So today was an exciting day. We just got 2 green cards today that I was so excited to hold in my hand for our VAWA applicants. It was very exciting. If you or someone you know is in that situation, think about talking to an immigration attorney to help you get status in the United States. That can be kind of a first step to a much more brighter future. Okay, don't hesitate to reach out to us if we can help you. You can call us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. My clients are all throughout the United States. We help them with all types of cases, no matter where they're located. Don't worry about how far we are. If you want to work with us, we have a very seamless approach to be able to help clients all throughout the world. Okay, call us if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Another option, if you're not able right now to get on the phone, you can also go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com, to take a look at us and learn about our page, learn about me a little bit. And you can schedule a consultation right there from our website or our Facebook page. So again, that's agarwalimmigration.com, or our Facebook page is Agarwal Immigration. Our consultations are done by phone, by Zoom, or in person. So you can choose whatever method best suits you. Today I had a Zoom consultation, and then I also had a phone consultation. Some of our clients want to come in person. They travel across the country to come in person. So we're excited to welcome you to our office in DC as well, but don't feel like you need to come to the office to do a consultation. We can provide excellent service on the phone or by Zoom as well. So don't worry about feeling like you need to come in. The documents we need can be mailed, they can be emailed, or they can be dragged and dropped into our online portal. So we have many different options for you to get the documents to us in the most comfortable way possible. So we're really excited to work with clients from all over. Of course, we're really excited to have our DC area clients as well. But give us a call if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go online and schedule a consultation on our Facebook page or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, and our Facebook page is Agarwal Immigration. Just another reminder, if you haven't already done so, follow us and like us on our social media platforms. We are on Facebook, on YouTube, and TikTok, and we also have Instagram. So Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and our handle is Agarwal Immigration, I think, on all of them, on all of the platforms. Okay. How many times can I travel on advanced parole? There's no specific limit on how many times you can travel, so you want to make sure that you have one that will let you travel. So as long as it's valid, you should be able to go and come back. Make sure if you're using an attorney, you should talk to your attorney about how often you can travel or traveling at all, because depending on the type of application you have, it might not be a good thing for you to do. So make sure you talk to your lawyer about traveling on advanced parole. get approval from them or at least know the risks before you travel using advanced parole. Okay? Call us if we can help, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. On a T visa and I married a U.S. citizen, can I get a green card earlier? So if you're on a T visa, you can apply for adjustment of status, and perhaps you have already done that. So sometimes there is early adjustment of status available, and you might be eligible for that. So a T visa is for victims of trafficking, and you might be eligible to apply for a marriage-based green card depending on your entry. So that could be another option. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Sean says, I filed a VAWA in April 2021 and I got a combo card and 4 prima facies. How long for a decision? So it is taking close to over 2 years to get this. So I would expect a decision maybe in early February, Sean, is what I'm thinking. The processing times are listed on the USCIS website. You can go to uscis.com or just Google USCIS processing times, and you can see for an I-360 application how long they will take. So you have to check off the service center that it's at. So that's going to be either Vermont or Nebraska, or they may just have one option for I-360s generally. And then you will see, based on that, when you can expect a decision. I hope that is helpful to you, Sean. Give us a call if we can help, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. When can I apply for citizenship if I have a VAWA green card? So when can I apply for citizenship if I have a VAWA-based green card? So most people can apply for citizenship after 5 years as a green card holder. If you're married to a U.S. citizen, you can apply after 3 years as a green card holder. Sean says, you're welcome. Thank you. I'm sorry. You said thank you. I'm saying you're welcome. Good gosh. Busy day. Busy Wednesday here today, guys. Awesome. Let me see here. Mary, oh, I think I answered your question, Marika. Let's see. Hi, Wilson. HM says, how long does it take to get an EAD through a U visa? So how long does it take to get an EAD through a U visa? So a U visa is for victims of crime. You can apply for a U visa if you have a qualifying crime, you reported that to the police. If you still haven't done it, if you haven't reported the crime to the police, that's okay. You can do it now with the attorney if you're still eligible. Once you get certification, you can apply for the U visa. And it took for us about a year, I think, to get a bona fide determination. So about a year is the general time frame to get a bona fide determination and a work permit. We apply for the work permit at the same time as we apply for the U visa. So we apply for everything at the same time, and then we get the approval. And when it's approved, even if a U visa is not available, you will get work permit at that point. Okay, Sean says, how much is your consultation fee? I think actually someone else asked that question here too. Our consultation fee is $150. Again, it's $150. And we schedule you for 30 minutes, but you guys know me, I like to talk. So I sometimes go over the 30 minutes if I don't have another appointment right after your call. So I'm happy to go as long as you need. And if for some reason we can't finish our conversation in the 30 minutes, we answer questions by email. If needed, and of course you can always schedule another consultation, but most of the time 30 minutes is plenty of time to go through your immigration history, to give you some options and walk you through some process for what is involved in doing your immigration case. Okay, give us a call if we can help, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Awesome. How do I prove good moral character for VAWA, right? How do I prove good moral character for VAWA? So what our firm typically does is we gather your fingerprints at the beginning of the case at the beginning of us working with you. We take those fingerprints and we get a report from the FBI about any criminal charges, convictions that you might have. So most people don't have anything, or most people have something minor that has been resolved. So we'll include that in your application. If you don't have any major criminal violations, then that's proof of your good moral character. Another way we show it is tax returns. So we use the FBI report showing your criminal history or lack of criminal history, as well as your tax returns. So those things usually are sufficient for us to show good moral character. If additional things are needed, we'll have an affidavit from you about how you've helped the community. We can even get affidavits from friends and family if you're contributing to your family, if you're supporting your children, if you're part of a religious organization and you're involved and you're just all around good person. That's all really strong proof that you're a person of good moral character. But most of our cases get approved with the fingerprint report if you don't have any criminal violations, in addition to your tax returns. Sometimes the fingerprint report alone is sufficient. Okay, give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Share this with others. Join me again and follow us and like us if you want to join me again when I come on. I do need to hop off because I have a 4:30 consultation. But it was wonderful to see so many of you join me today. And thank you for your awesome questions. I love answering them for you. I hope that I helped you understand immigration a little bit better. I hope it made it more clear. And if you would like to talk with us about your immigration case, we'd love to help you. Again, I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. Help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration cases. You can reach us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And you can also schedule a consultation directly from our Facebook page. Agarwal Immigration is the handle, or our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Share this with others, like us and follow us, so you will know when I'm back on live. And I look forward to seeing all of you again when I'm back on. But have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye, everybody.